Video we are going to cover some Python basic problems, and it is only for the beginners. So the question is, create a function that takes two numbers as an argument and return their sum. So I'm going to copy this addition and create this particular function. So let's dive into our Visual Studio Code and start writing our first function. So we need to add two numbers. So the function name is addition, and in order to add two numbers we are going to pass two parameters. Okay, and after that let's return these parameter, and let's call this function addition, and we need to pass two arguments as a parameter. Okay, so your arguments are 3 6 and 3 2, which is going to return 5, minus 3 minus 6 will going to return 9. Okay, so these are the answers that you are seeing right here. So let me change the these numbers. So let's say 7 comma 3, and once I will hit run, you're going to see the exact same result that it is showing right here. So let me wait, and this is the first program, that's why it is taking a little bit longer time. So now we can see that the first answer is 5, second minus 9, and third one is 10. So here it is. So that's it for this question. So the next question is, create a function that takes a number as an argument and increment the number by +1 and return the result. So basically we need to increment a number, whatever the number we are passing. So let's define this particular Python function, and let me copy this addition text, and the function name is addition, and we need to accept at least one parameter where we can easily pass our argument as a number. So let's return this, and whenever I will return, I will going to add this +1. Okay, so let's call this print function and call this function. So I'm going to pass these values, and hopefully we can get the exact same result. So -3 will going to give us -2. Okay, so let me run it once again, and let me click on it, and we are getting the exact same result. So that's it. So that's how you can easily do this. So the third question is going to be, write a function that takes an integer in minutes and convert it into second. Basically you have to take integer in minutes, and you have to take integer and convert it into the minutes. So basically when you try to convert something into the minutes, what you need to do, you just need to multiply it with the 60 second. Let's say if you are converting minutes into second, then you have to multiply it with the 60. So our minutes is this in return, and after that I'm going to multiply it by 60, and let's call this function. So let's say convert. If we pass 5, so in 5 minutes we are going to get the some second, let's say 300 seconds, and for the 3 we are going to, let's say 6 2 12, 6 3 and 18, 180, and the third one is 120. So that's it. So that's how you can easily solve it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next tutorial.